Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make you some brown stewed pork chop. So this is the pork chop what I'm gonna use. This is what it look like. These are all my seasoning. You have all-purpose seasoning, 1 spoonful. You have onion powder, 1 spoonful. You have paprika, 1 spoonful. You have garlic powder, 1 spoonful. You have everyday seasoning, 1 spoonful. You have black pepper, 1 teaspoonful. And you also have pork seasoning. This is just 1 teaspoonful. So first I'm gonna blend all my seasoning together. Then I'm just gonna pour it all over my pork chop. You just take your hand and just dab it all over. Just make sure all the seasoning is on your pork chop. And I'm not gonna marinate it, guys. You can always marinate your meat if you want to. I normally marinate my meat, but at times I'm in such rush, so I just do it as it is. And it still came out perfect. Still tasted delicious. So my pork chop is all seasoning, and this is what it look like. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna fry it now. So here I have some vegetable oil in this pot. I don't add a lot of oil because I'm just pre-frying it. So now I'm gonna add my pork chops. Just make sure your oil is nice and hot. And you're just gonna fry them until they became very brown for at least 5 minutes on each side. So now I'm gonna turn my pork chop now. So my pork chop has brown, and now I'm gonna remove these ones. I'm gonna add these one now. I'm gonna turn these ones. They're nice and golden. Just perfect. So all my pork chop has finished fried. So now I'm gonna remove it now. So this is my rest of my ingredients for my pork chop. So here I have some ketchup. This is around 4 spoonfuls of ketchup, some browning, 1 spoonful of browning, and I also have some thyme. These are all my herbs. You have bell peppers. As you can see, I've got all the colors, some carrot, some onions and some spring onions, and some ginger and some garlic, and some pimento seed and scotch bonnet pepper. So this is the pot that I use to fry my lamb chop. I remove most of the oil from my pot because I don't need a lot of oil, and I don't wash my pot either because this is where all the flavor is. So first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add my onions and my spring onions and my garlic also. Then I'm just gonna add around 1 cup of water to it. And I'm gonna also add my ketchup. And my browning. My thyme. I'm gonna add some all-purpose seasoning. And some salt. Give it a stir. So now I'm gonna add my pork chop now. And I'm gonna also add my carrot and my scotch bonnet pepper and my pimento seed. And I'm gonna also add some sugar just to balance out the taste. I add at least 1 spoonful, not a lot. And I'm gonna just leave it to cook, guys, for at least 30 minutes, 30 to 25 minutes, and a low heat. And make sure you cover your pot also. Looking so yummy already. So it's been 30 minutes and this is what my stewed pork chops look like. It is nice and tender. So now I'm gonna add my herbs, my bell peppers, and I'm gonna leave it for at least 10 minutes on a low heat. So my stewed pork chop is finally finished and this is what it looks like. Guys, it smells amazing. Please like, share, subscribe for many other videos. I thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, bye. Just make sure your gravy is also nice and thick, guys. So this is all my pork chops look like on the plate. I'm just garnish it with some spring onion, and I'm serving it with some rice and peas and some salad. The rice and peas and the pork chops and the salad, it tastes amazing. It is so delicious. I hope you guys do enjoy this video, and I hope you also try it.